Hello guys, and welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a Twitter account without phone number. So let's go into the video. So you click on sign up, then create account. So you type in your name, then email. I'm going to be using a temp email, so I'm just gonna go and copy it and paste it here. So for my day of birth, then next, then confirm, then just sign up. Click on sign up. So they're going to ask you to authenticate your account. So just two puzzles. So make sure the animal is facing in the direction of the hand. So it's not hard. Just to confirm that it's not a robot creating this account. So they'll send a verification code to your email. So let me go and copy it. Copy it and paste it here. So press next, then put in your password. Make sure it's longer than 8 characters and make sure it's not something someone can easily guess. Then press next, press skip for now, or you can also add your profile picture. So skip for now. So what do you want to see on X? Just select some things. Then what do you want to see? So select some topics, then select the topics you like to see, then press next. So now just follow few accounts. I'm gonna follow 5 because you still have to follow 5. So press next. As you can see, the home page has loaded. So I've successfully created an account without an email. If this was helpful, please make sure to watch my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.